Please like and subscribe to our channel. Selling on Amazon can be a great way to grow your business and reach a large customer base. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to sell on Amazon. Step 1. Create an Amazon seller account. The first step to selling on Amazon is to create an Amazon seller account. You can do this by going to sellercentral.amazon.com and clicking on the Register Now button. Step 2. Choose a selling plan. Amazon offers two selling plans, individual and professional. The individual plan is for sellers who sell less than 40 items per month and charges 99 cents per item sold, while the professional plan is for sellers who sell more than 40 items per month and charges a monthly subscription fee of $39.99. Step 3. List your products. Once you have set up your seller account and chosen a selling plan, you can start listing your products. To list a product, you will need to provide a product title, description, images, and pricing information. Make sure to provide accurate information and high-quality images to attract customers. Step 4. Set your shipping options. Amazon has strict shipping guidelines that sellers must follow. You can choose to ship your products yourself or use Amazon's fulfillment service. If you choose to use Amazon's fulfillment service, you will need to send your products to an Amazon fulfillment center, and Amazon will handle the shipping and handling of your products. Step 5. Optimize your product listing. To improve your chances of selling your products on Amazon, you should optimize your product listings. This includes using relevant keywords in your product title and description, providing high-quality images, and offering competitive pricing. Step 6. Manage your orders. Once your products are listed on Amazon, you will start receiving orders. You can manage your orders through your seller account and use Amazon's shipping tools to print shipping labels and track your orders. Step 7. Provide customer service. As an Amazon seller, it is important to provide excellent customer service. This includes responding to customer inquiries promptly, addressing any issues or concerns they may have, and processing returns and refunds. Step 8. Promote your products. To increase your sales on Amazon, you can promote your products through Amazon's advertising tools. This includes sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display ads. Here is a sample script you can use to sell your product on Amazon. Thank you for taking the time to check out my product on Amazon. Our product is, insert product name, and it is, insert product description. We are committed to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service. If you have any questions about our product, please don't hesitate to contact us. We also offer free shipping and a satisfaction guarantee, so you can shop with confidence. Thank you again for considering our product, and we hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.